Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to make classical music in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play, you have your audio recorder as well, and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and see how we can get started making classical music. There are two ways we can do this. The first way is to find a pre-made song that we can edit and add our effects to in GarageBand. So if you go into live loops right here in the upper left corner, you'll see a lot of pre-made loops that you have, such as EDM, hip hop, and so on. And we have something that may be suitable to us, such as Chinese traditional, and so on. A lot of options right here we can open up. We also have the sound library. What we can do in the sound library is to find content packs that can help us create our desired music, such as alpha waves or something more with instruments, so that you can go ahead and take a look at the instruments that you can use and make your classical music, such as the traditional instruments right here, and so on. So this is one of the ways, guys. You can go ahead and get yourself a pack and start editing any of the loops you have right here, or if you want, you can go ahead and get started creating it from scratch, from zero by yourself. In that case, we are going to go back right here to the track section, and now we can get started. So basically, guys, here you have all the instruments that you can play virtually on your phone, such as the keyboard, drums, and so on. So you can get started playing on any of the instruments, and you can get started recording them. When opening up any of the instruments, such as the audio recorder, it's going to open up the recording menu. Right here, where at the top of the screen, you have the big red circle to start recording. So what you want to do is go ahead and get started recording yourself, singing, playing instruments, doing whatever you want. And once you're finished, in the upper left corner right here, you can find the edit mode. That's going to open up this mixing mode right here, where we can find all the tracks that we can edit. As you can see, I have my audio recordings right here, instruments, and so on, that I can combine into a song. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it and how to get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.